Chime Bank Review. Chime is a digital-only banking platform designed to simplify personal finance with fee-free services and user-friendly tools. Here's a detailed review of it to help you determine if it fits your banking needs. It has no monthly fees like no maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements, or overdraft fees. You can receive paychecks up to 2 days earlier than traditional banks, and it overdrafts up to $200 with no fees, depending on account activity. You can access to 60,000 plus fee-free ATMs through the Allpoint and MoneyPass networks. It is great for travelers as Chime does not charge fees for foreign transactions. The primary account is used for day-to-day transaction. It comes with a free Visa debit card. It has spending account like checking account and saving account. When it comes to the fees, it has 0 monthly maintenance fee, $0 overdraft fee, $0 ATM withdrawal, and $2.5 per transaction when it comes to ATM out of network. Foreign transaction, as I said, it's 0. But it has no physical branches, it is limited considering products, and cash deposits can be costly, and finally spot me limits, because overdraft protection depends on account activity and direct deposits. So, it is ideal for millennials and Gen Z looking for a free, digital-first banking experience, individuals wanting to simplify budgeting and saving with automated tools, and workers with consistent direct deposits who want to early paycheck access. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.